Most people have seen a light that has visible flicker. Flicker is a drastic and rapid change of a light's brightness that can be visible or invisible to the human eye. Common causes of flicker include loose wiring, damage, power surges, and the use of poor quality dimmers or power supplies. Flicker, whether visible or invisible, can impact health and well-being, including productivity, focus, emotional health, and can even cause eye strain, migraines, and seizures. The ILT710 Flicker Meter was designed for simplicity and includes both visual and analytical data that can be toggled between with the touch of a button, as well as saved for future review. The analytical data includes readings in lux, percent flicker, flicker index, frequency, SVM, and visuals include a graphical display of the intensity over time. The intensity over time is a fast-moving graphical representation of the variation between the waves of light, depicting both modulation shape and modulation depth. SVM represents the likelihood that flicker will be visible. 1 indicates a 50% chance. A reading less than 1 is unlikely, while higher values indicate higher probability that flicker can be seen. Lux is a measurement of how much usable visible light is provided to an area to perform tasks such as viewing objects, reading, or walking. Percent flicker is a simple measurement of the maximum light versus the minimum light in a cycle with a scale of 0 to 100% and lower numbers being less problematic. Flicker frequency, or dominant hertz, is the number of fluctuations that occur in a second. Flicker that is visible to the human eye has a frequency of up to approximately 80 hertz. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more about the ILT710 or make a purchase, please check out our website.